Hey, glad you clicked in. Let's talk about the Skytech King 95, because if you're watching this, you're probably the kind of gamer and creator who refuses to settle for laggy frame rates or slow loading times. You want your rig to feel powerful, not just capable, but dominant. Before you go, check the current price and stock while you listen, because rigs like this don't stay around long when people realize what they're missing. You know that moment when your old PC stuttered mid-match, textures loaded slowly, freezes popped up during editing, or you waited ages for games to launch. That frustration you got used to. That ends the second you fire up the King 95. It's like walking out of a dim room into full sunlight. Suddenly everything looks sharper, smoother, more alive. Load up a heavy AAA title or drop into a graphics-intense map and you'll feel it. RTX 5070 doesn't just push pixels, it drives realism. 1440p or 4K, high settings or ultra settings, the frame rates stay rock solid. No more compromises, no more downgrading to medium just to avoid stutter. When that happens, you realize how much extra you were giving away just to keep things playable. But gaming isn't the only place this rig shines. Editing 4K footage, color grading, rendering, tasks that used to make your CPU run hot and slow now breeze through like nothing. Export times shrink, previews play back smoothly, and creative flow stops being interrupted by loading icons. Even streaming becomes effortless. Once you've seen how clean and responsive everything becomes, it's hard to imagine going back. Don't wait for stock dips or price jumps before you upgrade. The longer you delay, the more time you waste with frustrating lags and slowdowns. If you hesitate, you might miss the window, and you'll kick yourself later when you see others leveling up. You might wonder, is this overkill? Will I really need this much power? Here's the truth, maybe not today. But once you own something built for this level of performance, you'll change. You'll stop limiting your ambitions. You'll start expecting every load time to vanish. You'll expect every game to run smooth, every edit to finish fast, every render to not kill your vibe. Here's something you didn't expect. Even lighter games, where you didn't think power mattered, suddenly feel smoother. Menus snap instantly. Load screens disappear. Input feels instant. It's not just raw specs, it's a confidence shift. In a way, owning King 95 makes you feel like you belong at the top of whatever you're doing, not fighting just to keep up. You'll love how effortless intense gaming becomes. You'll love the silence under heavy load. You'll love how editing flows without forced waits. You'll love how future-proof it feels for years ahead. You'll love knowing you're not just playing, you're performing. Yes, a powerful rig like this demands good cooling and clean cabling. And maybe you won't need every bit of power day one. But once you've tried it, you stop picking mediocre gear. You already know what you want your creative or gaming setup to feel like, and this delivers it. So if you're ready, check the link now, grab the King 95 while it's up, and take that leap. Once you do, you won't look back.